Verhel Meneses all the way to the basket.
Good defense on the other end.
At tumaatake pa ang Alaska. Ang ganda ng paglusot ni Bong Hawkins. Faking off Ali Peak and Bong Hawkins. Kanina po nagwagi sa ating first game, San Miguel Beer laban sa Pure Foods. Ilang paso ng Beermen, 92-67 ang ating score. Si Nick Velasco.
Nick Velasco galing sa labas.
At tuwang-tuwa.
A 3-point shot, a bailout shot. 11-point na lamang ng Pop Cola.
Libre si Santos, binompa sa ilalim. What a move! Woo! We have seen everything. Ay, naagaw yung pasa ni Boybits. Dangerous pass. Inside. Doremdes, yes! Ali Peak, na double team. Inilabas, Lastimosa, sisingit sa loob, nilaglag kay Doremdes, binomba, what a move!
Again, the assist pass.
Kicks it out, Doremdes for three, bang! Triple V para kay Kenneth Doremdes, a total of 13. Matakbo si Lastimosa, he's ahead, andun si Jasper, hinabol. Papasok, yes! May kakibat na foul. Wala kay Jasper Ocampo. Lock it down. Samantala, andun si Jasper Ocampo. Abarrientos, kinukulit si Ocampo. Asking for a foul. Rodney Santos, sila pa yan ni Nick Velasco. But there's gonna be a foul. Good call. Medyo umabot sa kamay ni Rodney Santos yung pagkasapal nitong si Nick Velasco.
But partner, good effort on the part of Velasco to try to stop that shot. All fired up ito si Nick Velasco. Ito yung tira ni Rodney Santos and the block by Nick Velasco. And the foul.
Simula po ang ating fourth quarter with a 4-point lead para sa Pop Cola that, well, this team has continued to hang tough, Kinito. They have not given up the lead here at nakikita natin ang scoring by quarters.
And Dwight Lago gave Pop Cola a big lift dun sa third quarter. Although in that quarter, as you saw, in the quarter-by-quarter scoring, Alaska outscored by 2. Ba, ito mga manggigiti na kaibigan natin.
Yes, sir.
Willie Caballes, Nelson Beltran, members of the PBA press corps, si James Clyde Mariano, si Noel, si Lito Cinco.
Siyempre,
Yan mga kaibigan natin. And John Hernandez, Francis Ochoa. Well, we also have to mention that those gentlemen from the PBA press corps just elected a new set of officers. Nelson Beltran, ang ating kaibigan from the Philippine Star, has been re-elected president. Willie Caballos, nakita natin kanina, is the assistant sports editor of the Manila Bulletin. Siya po ang vice president ng PBA press corps. Beth Repiso is the secretary. Grace Basa of Sports Flash is the treasurer. Francis Ochoa ng Today is the auditor. John Hernandez of the Standard ang PRO. Directors naman, Chito De La Vega of the Inquirer, Dodo Katakutan of People's, Barry Pasqua, Clyde Mariano, and Fidel Mangonon are the directors. And incidentally, talking about Fidel Mangonon, happy birthday sa iyo, kaibigan.
Uy, happy birthday, Fidel. Alam niyo po, ang PBA family hindi mabubuo kung wala ang PBA press corps. Sila nagdadala ng balita sa inyo araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos para sa PBA. Samantala, ang balita dito sa larong ito, as we go back to live action, 8-point lead na lamang ng Pop Cola at medyo nagkakaluray-luray ang play ng Alaska dito sa last 3 offensive possessions nila dahil tila ang Pop Cola biglang naghigpit na naman, nagpakita ng konting bilis sa opensa at saka sa depensa. Kinito.
Well, that of course, and the fact that Johnny Abarrientos is sitting down,
yes.
Si Jun Reyes nasa loob na yun, and Johnny needs to take a breather if Coach Tim Cohn hopes to bring him back on the floor in the home stretch.
Samantala si Dwight Lago practically called this illegal defense call. Halos bulungan niya si referee Ilagan na, uy, yun o, kita mo si Rodney Santos.
Na lang, diba?
And that will send Verhel Meneses to the free throw line for this technical free throw.
And before this game gets out of hand, at baka lumabas sa 9 points itong lead na to. Yes, it does. Now goes up to 9 points. Coach Tim Cohn brings back Abarrientos and Kenneth Doremdes for Jun Reyes and Rodney Santos.
Hindi pwedeng isugal, sabi ni Coach Tim Cohn, although there's still a lot of time here.
Maraming oras pa to.
Tandaan natin, kung mananalo dito ang Pop Cola, they will climb to 6-5 and solo third. Samantalang Alaska will be only a game ahead of San Miguel Beer. So talagang mahalaga itong larong ito as we already practically start the semifinals here and now.
Yes. Well, partner, gusto rin ipakita ng Pop Cola that they deserve to be in the semifinals. At,
yes.
Kasi nangyari kahapon, Shell beat Mobiline and that's why it provided safe entry into for several teams not to move into the semifinals without having to go through the complications of a playoff. Gusto naman ipakita ng Pop Cola that just because na-eliminate yung Mobiline, hindi na kayang sariling to get into the semifinals.
Pinapakita rin ni Nick Velasco dun sa ating Cafe Puro Slow-Mo ang bangis niya sa ilalim. And he will go to the free throw line after that foul. Nick Velasco, last year's second pick overall. And he has been a revelation din para kay Norman Black. Malaki ang inasa ng buong RFM franchise dito sa batang-batang player nila na si Nick Velasco. And he certainly has not proven them or hindi nila hinihiya. No?
Yes, well, maganda ang work ethic ni Velasco. No, I understand he's always first at practice. He also stays behind, puts in more hours on his own to hone his game, and I think he's playing with very, very good discipline. Tsaka naintindihan niya ang kanyang role dito sa team na to.
Magaling na rin managalog yan si Nick Velasco.
Oh.
Samantala, Lastimosa, he has had the hot hand and he continues to sizzle. Lastimosa with a total of 24 points. However, 2 puntos lamang niya dito sa fourth quarter. Lead is down somewhat to 8 points. Lago has played a good second half. Victoria, 9-48. Boybits, tumira sa labas. Wala. And the rebound, Doremdes. Here comes Johnny. Lastimosa, siya na naman ang libre. Tumira sa labas. Sablay, rebound ni Boybits. And they're pushing it up. Victoria, binigay kay Dwight Lago. Pull-up jumper, palobo, tumalbog palabas. And there's going to be a foul. Laban kay Kenneth Doremdes.
And good preemptive foul because nasa posisyon na mga score ng follow-up. Ito si Zaldi Realubit. And Alaska with 3 team fouls very early in this quarter. At ang Popcola, wala pang team foul.
Popcola has had a lot of offensive rebounds in this second half. They actually averaged close to 14 in a ball game. So alam natin na kaya nito makipagsabayan.
Yes, they do have the manpower to be able to get offensive rebounds. Zaldi Realubit, Nick Velasco now playing the post dito for Popcola.
And another case of illegal defense here, called by referee Ernie De Leon. Si Kevin Ramos at si Coach Tim Cohn, medyo nag-iisip na ngayon. Malalim na.
Oh, a little, well, not just a little, but quite worried look on the face of Coach Tim Cohn.
And why not? When this man starts playing this well, 25 points, you know that he's going to have a big, big night and he's going to carry the whole team. Ano, Quirito, si Verel Meneses. Ito pa, babalik pa. Yung kanilang isa pang malahiganting mama, si Ali Peak, checking in.
More bad news for Alaska.
Yes. Ipinahinga muna si Vergel Meneses. And that's the luxury when Dwight Lago is playing a good game. Dahil si
Totoo
Meneses
yan, partner.
maiupo mo, no?
Yes. You can afford to rest him and keep Meneses well rested for the home stretch.
Off target yung pasa ni Dwight Lago, however, kay Nick Velasco. So an opportunity knocking at the door para sa Alaska Milk. 3 team fouls for the Milkmen. Wala pa po ang Popcola. Under 9 minutes to play in the final quarter. Abarientos laban kay Victoria. May pagkat si Lastimosa, walang pasa. At another illegal defense call here. Unang tawag lamang sa Popcola, so warning pa lamang. At nagkumpul-kumpul ang mga magkakampi.
They're talking things over and they want to make sure that may communication sila. And Vergel Meneses sits on the bench. They don't want to be tagged for another illegal defense violation because that will mean a technical free throw for Alaska.
Kahit ano po mangyari dito sa larong ito, ay meron tayong semi-final round na magpapasimula sa Martes. And if Alaska wins, the schedule will be Pure Foods laban sa San Miguel in the first game. Pop will meet Alaska again in the second game of Tuesday. Kung manalo naman ng Pop, it will be Pure Foods against San Miguel in the first game. Santa Lucia will meet Alaska in the second game. So, it's either Popcola lamang o Santa Lucia, mga kalaban na mag-iiba. Depende sa outcome nitong ball game na ito.
Pochwinyo called for the foul. Running jump hook by Nick Velasco. And partner, previous to that, na-double team ito si Jojo Lastimosa at hindi niya naalaman kung anong gagawin niya because ito si Ali Peak was the one who supplied the double team. He didn't have good vision. Nakaagway ng bola ang Popcola because of that.
Samantala, patuloy na nagmimintis si Nick Velasco from the free throw line, and that's not very often because he's averaging 80% prior to this ball game, 8 out of 10 as we take a look at Coach Tim Cohn, ang ating National Centennial team coach.
Oo.
At Kinito, kagaya ng sinabi mo kanina, meron pa kayong napag-usapan
Oo,
na
meron siya
tungkol kay Nelson Aceitono, naging controversy niya.
Oo, meron nga sinabi sa akin si Tim Coe na overly exaggerated daw yung balita na nagalit siya kay Nelson because there is a team rule na kung may sakit ka, hindi ka makaka-attend ng practice, you have to call up the team doctor, si Dr. Facundo Sun. Eh wala namang telephone number si Nelson ni Dr. Sun, kanya sabi niya hindi naman nabigyan pa ng telephone number because bago pa ang team, no, wala pa nga silang direktoryo, kanya hindi siya nagalit. I think napagsabihan lang, and of course Nelson Aceitono has come back to practice and everything is fine and dandy doon sa practice ng national team. Yan ang kwento ni Coach Tim Coe.
Well, siyempre, inaasahan nila si Nelson Aceitono. Maaaring isa sa mga kandidato patungol dyan sa ating dream team. And there's going to be another foul here. Real Bit will go back to the free throw line. It's a 9-point lead para sa Pop Cola. Muli po, isang magandang gabi sa inyo lahat mga kaibigan. Lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kaibigan sa lalawigan ng Laguna, sa San Pablo City, sa Los Baños, Laguna, at dyan sa Pagsanghan, Laguna. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang laro ng Pop Cola at Alaska Milk. Right now, it's a 10-point lead for the 800s of Coach Norman Black, and they continue to play beautiful music together, Kinito.
Well, Noli, isali din natin yung mga kaibigan natin na galing Binyan, Laguna.
Oh, yes.
At sa San Pedro.
Masarap
Marami
ang
tayong
puto
mga
dyan.
kaibigan doon.
Oo. Nakuha pa ang offensive rebound ni Nick Velasco. At another fresh 24 to work with. Jasper Ocampos back at the point guard position. Narito ngayon si Ali Peak. They move it around. 7 seconds sa kanilang shot clock.
Ito si Ocampo. He's in the 3-point zone.
2
But he
seconds
takes
to
a
shoot.
2-point shot.
Wala.
On the run yun.
Tumatakbo si Lastimosa. He's ahead. Andun si Jasper. Hinabol. Papasok. Yes! May kakibat na foul. Wala kay Jasper Ocampo.
O partner. Actually, na-block ni Nick Velasco yung bola coming from behind Jojo Lastimosa. Ito, pero maganda yung spin ni Jojo.
Talaga makikita mo yung poise nitong si Lastimosa,
Oo.
yung experience niya.
Na-block ba nga? Hindi natin
Parang,
masyado nakita. Parang
siguro kung man nahagip ng konti lang yun.
konti lang.
Oo.
Not enough to stop that ball from going inside.
Well, si Lastimosa now going to the free throw line. At ngayon may 26 na puntos na po ang veterano ng Alaska Milk. He missed that particular free throw. 68-60, an 8-point lead para sa Pop Cola. 7:15 remaining in the final quarter. Still a long ways to go dito sa ating laro mga kaibigan. Kung kayo'y kabubukas pa lamang ng inyong mga television sets, well, kanina po nagwagi sa ating first game, San Miguel Beer laban sa Pure Foods. Ilang paso ng Beermen, 92-67 ang ating score. Si Nick Velasco!
Nick Velasco galing sa labas.
At tuwang-tuwa.
A 3-point shot, a bailout shot. 11-point na lamang ng Pop Cola.
You know, he's 100% from the 3-point range dahil yan ang una niyang attempt at unang pasok para kay Nick Velasco in his All-Filipino stint. Samantala, mintis ang tira ni Lastimosa at si Velasco nakaupo na. Napunta pa yung bola sa kanya. 11-point lead for this resurgent Pop Cola 800s.
O partner, eto si team coach. We caught him tell Jojo Lastimosa, ipasa mo yung bola, pass the ball.
This was the matchup of the 95 year 95.
And there will be an offensive foul. Mukha yata nawili si Nick Velasco. Take a look at some numbers here. Touch boy in the paint. On drive-in plays, Pop Cola 5 out of 8. Alaska 9 out of 9. No misses. And in rebounds, yun nakita natin.
16-9 para sa Pop Cola. Kenneth Duremdes inilabas kay Johnny Abarientos. Naghahabol po ang Alaska ng 11 puntos and they have to do it pretty soon because time is winding down. It's down to under 6 minutes here in the final quarter.
Wala nang pasahan ng bola.
Oo.
Alaska taking poor shots and they're not getting movement from the players.
Well, for a while, nagreklamo ang Alaska na pagod na daw sila sa kanilang schedule. They have been rested for quite some time. So, medyo itong larong ito is a big break or coming off a big break from them. Samantala, may loose ball foul na itinawag.
Ito yung tira ni Nick Velasco from Triple V territory. Nothing but net. At tuwan-tuwa si Nick Velasco. Nung naipasok na yung tira na yun.
Mas mataas na daw ang average niya kay Alan kay Dick. Samantala may foul na tinawag muli. It will go against Poch Wino. Number 5 now on Wino. Si Kenneth Duremdes ay may 5 na rin. So dalawang key players ng Popcola or rather ng Alaska ang malapit na mag-graduate. Speaking of graduates, binabati na rin natin lahat ng mga nag-graduate ngayon kinito. Sa lahat ng dako ng Pilipinas, maraming magtatapos ng kanilang mga kurso, yung mga grade school, high school. Meron akong pamangkin, si John. Congratulations, John. Alam mo, kakatapos lang naman ng prep at maraming award yung batang yun. Kaya,
well, congratulations.
yung aking pamangkin si John. Samantala, si Zaldi Relubit gets the free throw and the lead is up to 12 points, 72-60 with 5.5 remaining dito sa ating final quarter. Triangle play. Abarientos cannot knock it down. Samantala, ando si Jasper Ocampo. Abarientos kinukulit si Ocampo. Asking for a foul. Rodney Santos, sila pa yan ni Nick Velasco. But there's gonna be a foul. Good call. Medyo umabot sa kamay ni Rodney Santos yung pagkasapal nito si Nick Velasco.
But partner, good effort on the part of Velasco to try to stop that shot. All fired up ito si Nick Velasco. Ito yung tira ni Rodney Santos and the block by Nick Velasco. And the foul. Partner, kanina binanggit mo yung schedule natin.
Yes.
We'd like to explain to the viewing public na nagkaroon ng drawing of lots because dikit-dikit kasi ang schedule natin. No? There will be 2 teams that will play Friday and Saturday, and also 2 teams that will play Saturday and Sunday. Kanya nagkaroon ng drawing of lots to be able to determine kung sino ang mga maglalaro on Saturday and Sunday, because on Saturday, March 21, the PBA will go to San Fernando, Pampanga.
Aba?
Kanya sunod-sunod ang schedule natin, no? And the San Fernando Pampanga schedule will involve a doubleheader.
Aba?
Doubleheader din sa San Fernando.
Alam naman natin yung San Fernando, bayan ng superstars yan. Samantala, traveling ang tinawag kay Kenneth Duremdes at hindi nagreklamo si Coach Timco. Makikita mo talagang
Kitang-kita yun.
alam niya yun.
Kitang-kita yun, but it was a good steal on the part of Alaska's defense. Yun nga lang, nag-travel si Kenneth Duremdes 1 step too many in trying to avoid the Popcola roadblock.
Alaska showing us a little bit of urgency now in their game.
Eto,
Naagaw ni Abarientos.
Again, nabubulabog ito si Jasper Ocampo. Alaska's defense is concentrating on the point guard. Ito na naman si Kenneth Duremdes. This time he made sure.
And finally, yung abante ng Popcola natapyas nila sa 8. 72-64 Ocampo. Muntik man tumapak na nga ng tuluyan.
At partner, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit yung Popcola is not giving the ball up to some of the men up in the front court, and they're allowing Jasper Ocampo
There it is.
to handle the ball.
And Alaska with its 4th quarter storm. Happy to have you with us, Philippines. Noli Yala po kasama si Kinito Henzon para sa huling 4 and 47 ng ating laro. Popcola laban sa Alaska. Alaska making its run, and si Ali Peak taking that ball away, and here comes Verhel Meneses all the way to the basket.
Good defense on the other end. Ali Peak, a beautiful block, nice pitch. At si Verhel Meneses finishing the job on the other end.
That coming off a timeout, so magandang resulta yan para sa Popcola. Lastimosa para sa 3, wala. Rebound, natapik kay Relubit. Andun na naman si Meneses, nauuna na naman. Is this going to be another 2 points? Wala, tapik ni Alipik, napunta kay Rodney Santos. Kenneth Duremdes that time anticipating the outlet. Here's Duremdes, reverse, wala. Boybits with the rebound. And he will slow it down.
Hurried attempts on the part of Alaska. Time running out on the Milkmen.
3 and 48 remaining. Relubit nasa gitna. Wala yung kanyang jump shot. Lastimosa almost getting the rebound pero magkakaroon ng loose ball foul. Laban kay Zaldi Relubit. That will only be the first foul ni Relubit. Pangatlong team foul din yan ng Popcola. Ang Alaska is already in the penalty. Coach Norman Black trying to get their 3rd straight win dito sa ating liga. Hawkins laban kay Ali Peak.
Mahirap din si Hawkins tumira with Ali Peak there. Abarientos had a good look.
Yes! Palobong tira laban kay Nick Velasco, and Abarientos getting his 10th point of the ball game. Lead is down once again to 8 points. Alaska, tandaan po mga kaibigan, hindi pa lumalamang dito sa laro natin. 74-66 as we near the 3-minute mark. Jump shot sa labas, maikse, rebound, Abarientos. Lastimosa nagmamadali, curls, kicks it out, Doremdes for 3, bang! Triple V para kay Kenneth Doremdes, a total of 13. At ang abante ng Popcola, lilima na lamang, 74-69.
At partner, hinanap ni Jojo Lastimosa si Kenneth Duremdes. He knew where he was. At si Kenneth Duremdes naman was poised for that 3-point basket.
At may foul ay tinawag si referee De Leon. May hinigit daw na t-shirt o uniforme. Samantala ito yung huling play. Clear out play, kick out. Eksakto para kay Kenneth and it was all net.
At alam na alam ni Jojo Lastimosa kung saan nandun ito si Kenneth Duremdes dun sa kanyang kick-out pass.
Yes. Ito pong aksyon sa bayan ng Superstars. Nothing but the best in basketball. At ngayon si Boy Bits Victoria nasa free throw line. Gets his first free throw. Binigyan ng konting pagluwag ng paghinga ito ang kupunan ng Popcola ni Boy Bits Victoria. Dwight Lago has checked back into the ball game here.
And Lagos had a good third quarter. And now he's going to be pairing with Vergel Meneses. Kailangan ng konting bilis sa depensa, especially sa rotation ng depensa ng Popcola.
2 for 2 si Boy Bits Victoria. Time down to 2.5.
Alam ni Coach Norman Black that Alaska will be stepping up its offense here with Popcola still ahead by 7.
Illegal defense.
Yan ang illegal D.
Yes, at ngayon ang Alaska bibigyan ng technical free throw. Time remaining 2.5. 76-69, 7-point lead para sa Popcola at the moment.
And second straight big game for Vergel Meneses, partner. He's coming off a 31-point performance. Ilan na ba si Vergel Meneses?
27.
Ilan na? 27.
Oo.
And of course, Vergel Meneses, yung mga kaibigan natin from Bulacan,
Oo.
all wishing him well. Yung mga galing Marilao, Giginto.
Sa Malolos.
Mga kaibigan natin sa Malolos.
Agunoy. Samantala, 6 na lamang po ang abante ng Popcola at tumaatake pa ang Alaska. Ang ganda ng paglusot ni Bong Hawkins. Faking off alley peak and Bong Hawkins ramming in another basket. 16 points for the Hawk. At may pito si referee Cruz. It'll go against Johnny Abarientos, or rather referee Ilagan. Abarientos will pick up his second foul. Nasa penalty na. At yan ang nakakasakit ngayon sa Alaska, Kinito. As we take a look at this last play ni Bong Hawkins.
Kita mo naman ang sidestepping motion ni Bong Hawkins. Nung nakita niya yung double team, was over on his left side, simply moved over to his right at nakahanap siya ng puwang to be able to score unmolested.
Together with his 16 points, 6 na rebounds si Bong Hawkins, and he's a prime candidate para sa ating Hardy Flex Building Boards King of the Board. Samantala, Boy Bits Victoria getting another free throw. 3 sunod na yan para kay Boy Bits na ngayon ay meron ng, let's see, 8 points in the ball game.
Magandang contribution ng backcourt ng Popcola in this game. Victoria and Jasper Ocampo coming through, delivering crucial points.
Pangalawa niya ba, sinuwerte pa, tumalbog papasok. And the lead is back to 6, 78-72. Popcola hanging tough laban sa leading Alaska Milk. As we near the twilight zone, may foul ay tinawag si referee Ernie De Leon here. This will go against Boy Bits Victoria. Third foul, pang-apat na team foul ng Popcola.
A partner, the combination of Coach Tim Cone has on the floor is a loaded offensive combination. Wala silang sentro. Bong Hawkins is playing the center position, but he's got 5 scorers on the floor.
And the last 2 minutes is brought to you by Hope, the largest selling luxury cigarette.
Ito, hinawakan na lang ni Zaldi Realubin, si Johnny Abarientos, but there will be a foul. Hindi, illegal defense na naman.
Yes.
Alam mo, every point counts, partner, no? And if Popcola doesn't communicate defensively, Alaska will capitalize on those technical free throws sa kanilang illegal defense. Lastimosa, big game, looking for number 28.
And he gets it. Tandaan natin, Popcola trying to celebrate their entry into the semifinals this early thanks to Formula Shell. Last year, they finished 7th here sa All-Filipino Conference with a 5-9 record. At ngayon si Nick Velasco checking in. Papalitan niya si Dwight Lago for defensive purposes.
But partner, again, the 3 big men of Popcola on the floor. All three of them good defensive players, no?
Oo.
Velasco, si Ali Pic at saka si Rea Lubin. Ito, double team on Hawkins.
Libre si Santos, binompa sa ilalim! What a move! Woo! We have seen everything.
Partner yung triangle play ng Alaska. They have done this so well to look for the open man off the double team. And they wait for the extra pass. Off the double team, dalawa pang pass ang ginagawa nila bago makahanap sila ng libreng tao. And that time, Rodney Santos from the baseline on the reverse.
At ngayon si Rodney Santos may pagkakataon mabuo ang 3-point play after that spectacular reverse layup. And he completes the 3-point play and it's down to a 2-point lead para sa Pop Cola. Ay, naagaw yung pasa ni Boybits. Dangerous pass inside. Doremdes, yes! And it's a tied ball game. The last time we were deadlocked was at 7-all. And what a game! Nothing but the best in basketball dito po sa Bayan ng Superstars. We'll be back. Buong gabi po nag-ahabol itong Alaska Milk. Finally, nagbunga ang kanilang pagtsatsaga. Here's that steal ni Jojo Lastimosa.
Telegraph pass
Yes.
coming from the backcourt.
And then he gives it up to Kenneth the Silk Doremdes.
And partner, you notice that Pop Cola doesn't seem to have a play on how to break the press.
Exactly.
At nakita natin that once Alaska has the press, the Pop Cola players look for the point guard. You don't need the point guard to always handle the ball in the backcourt.
Yes.
In fact, yan ang gusto nga ng Alaska, no? To have the point guard handle the ball because siya naaagawan. And take a look at in the last 4 minutes, Pop Cola, turnovers, 4 at ang field goal performance nila, only 1 out of 6.
Still a lot of time in this basketball game, a minute and a half. This is far from over. Of course, masakit ito para sa Pop Cola. They've led the entire ball game by as many as 12. Hindi pa po lumalamang ang Alaska sa larong ito. Meneses, inilabas niya. Lago, iniikot kay Rilbit. 8 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Victoria, papasok sa loob. Gives it to Ali Pic and there's going to be a foul here with only a few seconds remaining sa shot clock ng Pop Cola.
At si Johnny matatawagan ng foul. 1:15 to go sa larong ito. Take a look at this
Yun.
play. Hand check foul on Johnny Abarientos.
So si Boybits Victoria mapapabalik sa free throw line.
In the penalty ng Alaska. And Victoria with 9 points so far.
Pinagmamalaki naman ang Taguig. Rizal at naipasok ni Boybit sa kanyang una Rookie of the Year back in 1994. Of course, he has seen his minutes cut down dito sa last few games ng Pop Cola. But right now, parang ipinapakita ni Boybits na, Coach, pwede mo pa akong asahan muli.
Palagay ko naman. We did mention that in the pre-game that Victoria held scoreless in the last 2 games will probably want to reclaim lost glory dito sa larong ito. And so far, so good.
Yes.
Already in double figures.
Siya muli ang nagbigay ng 2 puntos na kalamangan para sa Pop Cola, 80-78 with only a minute and 11 seconds to go.
Yun naman partner, no? Ang point guard ng Alaska hindi nagdadala ng bola. No? Depends kasi. Unlike Pop Cola, they always want the ball
Nahanap
in the
ang point
hands
guard.
of the point guard.
Rodney Santos, nilaglag kay Kenneth Doremdes, maiksi ang tira. Santos, inilabas kay Hawkins, jump shot, top of the key, wala. Rodney Santos na naman!
Less than a minute to go, but the clock is running.
Doremdes, sasaksak sa loob at may foul si Zaldi Relubit. Both teams are in the penalty.
Partner, yung offensive rebounding ng ni Rodney Santos, bailing Alaska out of trouble.
Here's that play ni Kenneth Doremdes at yung pagsundot ni Zaldi Relubit. Second foul ni Relubit. Doremdes will go to the free throw line.
And partner, not a good foul by Zaldi Realubit, although Kenneth Doremdes had escaped his defense. There was another line of defense that would have stopped Kenneth Doremdes from taking the shot from the baseline.
Yes. Doremdes a 67% free throw shooter as we take a look at Norman Black. Another nail biter of a finish. Doremdes dati naglaro sa Pop Cola at now trying to put the dagger sa kanya mga dating kakampi. As we saw the team owners of Alaska Milk. 80 all ang ating score, mga kaibigan. What a ball game. Lagi namin sinasabi, kapit bayan. Half
Vergel
a minute.
Meneses nakakuha ng bola.
Natabik ni Lastimosa palabas. 7 seconds sa shot clock ng Pop Cola. This is a big play, Kinito.
I think so.
Wala nang ano to.
Kailangan ng Pop Cola to be able to score in this play.
Tingnan natin yung pag-control ng boards. And ngayon, tatawag na ng timeout si Dwight Lago. It will be a 20-second timeout only para sa Pop Cola with that much time remaining here in the final quarter. And it's a deadlock game at 80 all. This is only our 6th deadlock. Let's listen in kay Norman Black.
Who Hawkins got it? Okay, I want you out of here. Right here, huh? Salty, for hell, you fake like you're gonna screen here. Hey, Ali, you go here, all right? Up screen for hell down, right here, huh? Okay, spread the floor out and let them go now. Let's go, come on.
Crucial offensive here for Pop Cola because alam natin makakakuha pa ng offensive opportunity ang Alaska with 29.3 seconds to go. It's a two-possession game and Alaska could have the last crack at the basket.
80 all ang ating score, mga kaibigan. Walang kukurap. 29.3 seconds remaining.
Coach Norman Black wants to spread the floor and give the opportunity for Vergel Meneses to go one-on-one.
Lumabas si Lulubit, walang pasa. Finally gets the pass. He's way out there. 5 seconds to shoot. Victoria. At may blocking foul. That's a big one.
And Victoria will go back to the stripe. Rodney Santos ang natawagan ng foul.
Watch it again. Ayun, yung pag-step in ni Rodney Santos dun sa lane. Tinawagan siya ng blocking foul. Victoria back at the free throw line.
Shot clock winding down for Pop Cola. And that was a lucky break for Pop Cola.
He has been sharp from the line. 7 out of 8 today. Ang kanyang average prior to this game, 77 or 79%. 11 out of 14 before this ball game. Ay, nagsablay ang una. And the pressure now building up here. Nick Velasco babalik sa laro. Ito yung situational substitution na tinatawag natin. Lago ang uupo. $11 points in the ball game para kay Victoria. Pumasok ang pangalawa. And it's sudden, and now it's a 1-point lead para sa Pop Cola. Only that much time remaining. Only a 1.5 differential between the game clock and the shot clock. Hawkins, laban kay Ali Peak, na double team. Inilabas, Lastimosa, sisingit sa loob, nilaglag kay Doremdes, binomba, what a move!
Again, the assist pass. Lastimosa, Duremdes combining beautifully. Ang pasa ng galing kay George Lastimosa and the finish by Kenneth Duremdes.
And only 7 seconds remaining. Ang Pop Cola will call a timeout.